So who's excited about that ZIM dividend tomorrow? About to get a payday. Yeah. I know here, as everybody was expecting, the stock is falling. But here's the good side of this. So whatever shaves off for the dividend buyers, after that's gone, you about know where the support line is going to be, right? So if the stock does get to like $20, $19, $18, whatever, you know what the support line is. Like that doesn't faze me at all. Yeah, but I'm super stoked to be able to get that dividend tomorrow. Heck yeah, dude! And I'm getting an AT&T dividend. Check that out. So I get a nice little dividend from AT&T. But yeah, so that's my thoughts. And everybody who's selling out right now or after they get the dividend and like, oh, I'm gonna sell. You know, okay, you know, but hopefully they're still in the green, I guess, you know, if they do sell. Because if they sell in the red and they're like, I don't know, that to me that doesn't make any sense. Because the company's going to be around long term, so even if it does drop, you know, and this number goes red, which I'm sure it will go red, you know, it might even go red like $2,500, $3,000 or whatever. I don't care because I'm not selling the asset. You know, so I'm keeping it. And it's going to go back up again, you know, when a dividend gets ready to come out. Because people chase dividends. Great, you know. But I don't jump in and out of companies chasing dividends. I like to keep good ones. You know, swing trading, yeah, you know, you do that. But those are ones that you're like, you're not in there, you know, to stay in there. Like some of the swing trades that I was in, they went red. You know, I was like, well, this sucks. But, you know, ZIM, as of tomorrow, is going to be the payoff, you know, for all that. That's going to make up that loss. Spike the portfolio up a nice number. We're almost at 48 today. Should be able to spike that up to around 52, give or take, you know. So, not bad. And then from there, I'm going to be looking at, you know, some of the banks and whatnot that we were checking out. NLY. You know, you have key up here, you know, so I'm still gonna look into some of these. What's the other one? Zion. You know, I'm gonna look into a few things to see what I got going so that way I can keep building up those areas and whatnot. You know, but more specifically, I want to try to find something that pays me, you know, for May, you know, and different months, you know, that way I'm getting income coming in, you know, at different months all the time and whatnot. But yeah, quick short video. I'm still waiting before I get, you know, a dividend tomorrow before I start doing some, you know, adding to the portfolio. So pretty stoked about it. But as we all know, you know, ZIM is reacting. You know, it's going down, which a lot of people already know that. But again, I mean, yeah, okay, you could take it out and then have that 3 months for the quarter to play with that money somewhere else. But then you risk losing it. You know, and you already know, you know, that ZIM company isn't going to go anywhere. And then when another dividend comes, because you never know what the dividend is going to be. It could be another good dividend. Because like I say, they pay a lot of their, you know, higher ups, your senior people with the dividend, you know. So even if it goes down, like 2.5 months down the road from now, you can start getting it going right back up, you know. And not only did you get the dividend this time, but you're back in the green and you're not selling in the red if that's what some people are doing. You know, and I can understand selling in the red sometimes, but this to me is not a company you want to sell in the red for, even with the 25% fee, you know, tax and all that stuff. So, yep, we know it's doing some stuff. So, again, not worried about it. And for people that, you know, do sell for that, it's like, why, dude? Like, you look here, you know, it's shot up in this dividend, right? And then it went down. And then when we get back over here where the dividend was starting to come up, it started to go up again. You know, not that it, like, I play too much with the graphs, but still, I'm just saying, you know. It's still, in my book, pretty solid. But these normally always tend to, like, shoot way up like that, you know, for the trades, you know, when a stock IPOs. And then it doesn't start finding its groove until down the road. Like a lot of companies that aren't growth do. They find that groove down the road. But I still think that this one here is undervalued. So eventually, when it finds its groove, I think its groove is going to still come back up in this area, and I'm going to be in a nice, good company. But anyway, that was about all I was doing today. So super stoked. Once you get that dividend tomorrow, I'll start looking into some cool things to buy and be able to make some videos about things that I'm looking to add to increase more revenue and income for the portfolio, because that's the big idea. On another good note, we actually got pay adjustments at our job, so you know, everybody got a little bit of an increase based on different things like that. So get paid a little extra money when you weren't expecting it, I'll take it. So I get a little bit more coming there. Still shooting for that, you know, 6-figure 100K per year salary. We're getting close. Not there yet, but we are getting close. So anyway, y'all have a good one. I hope you guys enjoy that dividend tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next video.